Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter P and colors name. Okay, this is purple color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, red color, brown color, green color, black color, navy blue color, white color, green color, yellow color. Let's start letter P. Okay. This is uppercase P. Okay. And this is lowercase p. P is for parrot. Parrot means tota. P is for pot. P-O-T, pot. Pot means bartan. P is for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peacock means more. P is for papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Papaya means papita. Let's repeat again. P is for parrot. P is for pot. P is for peacock. P is for papaya. Let's write letter P. Okay. Go to the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the top again and draw a curved line. This is letter P. Okay. This is uppercase P. Okay, kids. Now write lowercase p. Okay. Take a orange color and write letter P. Draw a standing line and a small curved line. This is lowercase p. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.